Welcome to our quick guide on how VEVS simplifies online payment processing for your business. Whether you run a car rental, boat rental, holiday property, or any service online, understanding how to handle transactions can save you time and money. With VEVS, you can activate various payment methods to suit your business needs. This includes popular payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, and others, ensuring that you can receive payments from almost anywhere in the world. But that's not all. VEVS is committed to flexibility and customer convenience. We understand the importance of local payment solutions that might be popular in your specific market. That's why, upon request, we can integrate almost any local payment processing company into your setup. Selecting the right payment processing company is crucial and depends on your business type and operational location. Each company offers different terms, conditions, and fee structures. Therefore, it's important for you to evaluate and choose the payment provider that best aligns with your business needs. Once you decide on which payment processing company to work with, all you need to do is set the login details for it in your VEVS software. This usually involves adding a simple username-password combination to your software. Let's break down how an online payment happens. Once a customer selects a product or service on your VEVS website, they are directed to the payment processing company to complete their payment. Once payment is initiated by the customer, it is processed by the payment processor, which securely handles the transaction between the customer's card and your merchant account held with the payment processing company. After successful verification and approval, the funds are settled into this merchant account and ready to be transferred to your business bank account. The payment processing company also sends a notification back to our software. This ensures that the software is informed when the payment has been completed, allowing it to update the status of the reservation or order accordingly. Check additional videos for the specific industry you operate in to see how payment affects reservation status, email notifications, and other related processes. VEVS allows you to set your default currency and manage deposits, taxes, and payments via your admin dashboard. VEVS itself does not collect payments or charge any payment processing fees. Instead, when you use VEVS for your online transactions, all payments are processed through the payment processing company you work with. It's these payment processors that charge processing fees, which typically range from 2.25% to 3.70% per transaction. These fees are deducted from the transaction amount, and the remainder is what your business ultimately receives. It's crucial to account for these fees when setting your prices and planning your finances, as they can impact your overall revenue. As all transactions are handled by a payment processing company, we at VEVS do not store credit card details for your customers. Choosing the right payment gateway affects not just your operational efficiency, but also customer satisfaction. With VEVS, you can adapt as your business grows and as payment technologies evolve. Thank you for watching.